Will the Kia Sportage 2015-2021 lock door automatically when you start driving? This is the question a lot of people ask for this car, and it's pretty counterintuitive in these vehicles because the menu in your car may be of different kinds and different model years, engines, countries, or whatever. So to check if your car has this setting in a menu, you need to press this once, then the second time, and you are now in the menu. And you want to choose the door by pressing this left lever up or down. You want to choose the door, press OK then, and then you have auto unlock. In my car it's only one function, auto unlock. So if I lock it manually when I start driving, I can set auto unlock. Absolutely hard to understand why they would make only auto unlock. And I have several functions here, like disable, on key out, driver door unlock, and on shift to P. So when I shift to park, my doors will automatically unlock. Actually, these functions don't make any sense without the auto lock function. And if your car has this function, this is the only place you can find the auto lock function and set it. If you don't have this function in the menu, there is still a way you can activate the auto lock button when your car starts driving at about 9 miles per hour. But you will need to go to the dealership and ask them to do this. They will usually do this for free because it's a 5-minute job with the Kia compatible scanner. Or alternatively, you can go to any garage, any repair shop that deals with Kia and Hyundai vehicles. They have this Kia compatible scanner, and they will activate this feature for 5 minutes and maybe take the price of a cup of coffee from you. So this is how this feature works. Absolutely counterintuitive and hard to understand why on earth they made these settings so complicated.